giving us an exciting offer of buy 2 get 3 free. Yes, you heard it right. Hello world, welcome and welcome back. This is Rains and you are watching perfumegirl.renu. So today I am really excited because I am going to review the Paris Elysees perfumes today. And guess what? They are giving us an exciting offer of buy 2 get 3 free. Yes, you heard it right, and this is the Diwali offer. So let's find out whether this is worth or not. And before wasting any time, let's get started. So let me give you a small introduction about Paris Elysees. This company has over 30 years of experience in the perfume business, and it was conceived in the 1990 in the south of France. Okay, this is the packaging of the perfume. Means in this box you get the perfume box. Okay, so here there is written Namaste. It is a very nice packaging. Okay, this is how it is packaged. This is the perfume which I will be reviewing today. This is Vodka Wild Perfume. It is an intense perfume and EDT, You're the toilette. Okay, and this is how the bottle looks like. There's vodka embossed on the bottle. It is a good quality bottle. It has a plastic cap. So the entire overall packaging is nice. Okay, so now let's read the notes of this perfume. Top notes are orange, bergamot. Middle notes are lavender, black pepper and geranium. And the base notes are vetiver, wood, amber and patchouli. Now let's spray this. This is a very good alternative of Dior Sauvage. Yes, you heard it right. It is a very good alternative of Dior Sauvage. The fragrance of this perfume is citrus and is spicy. Okay, the citrus notes of bergamot and the spicy note of black pepper is a very blended and a balanced fragrance. And as it dries down nicely into a woody fragrance. But the dominant notes of bergamot and black pepper you get throughout. Means like it dries down, the black pepper and bergamot fragrance are present in this. You also get a slight note of lavender, a slight note of patchouli. So overall, from citrus to spicy and then from spicy to woody, the flow of the fragrance is very nice. And if you're getting a good alternative for under 1,000 rupees, it is a very good thing, right? Like under 1,000, a very good alternative for Dior Sauvage. Now Dior Sauvage is a very classy perfume, and who doesn't want an alternative for that, right? And if I talk about the projection of this fragrance, it is nice. Means like 1 to 2 meters. It projects nicely, and for half an hour it gives a 1 to 2 meter projection. And the longevity is around 3 to 4 hours on your clothes. Okay, but that's what I feel. And on your skin, it is around 1 hour. Yeah, half an hour to 1 hour on your skin. What I felt like, the longevity means it stays for more time on your clothes. Okay, but the best part about this fragrance is it is a very good option for Dior Sauvage. So now the question is, who can wear this and which climate you all must wear this? So this is suitable for everyone. Means like let it be a boy or let it be a man. This is not restricted like only men should wear this or only boys should wear this. No, anyone can wear this. The boys and men from all the age groups can use this perfume. And this is suitable in all the climates. Let it be winters or let it be summers. Okay, now let's talk about the pricing. The price of this perfume is 1150, but in offer you get it lesser than 1150 rupees. Okay, you can visit the website pariselysees.co.in. Okay, you can visit the website. I will also put it in the description. Okay, so you can visit and you can check it out. Also, like I told you in the start of the video, that they have buy 2 get 3 free offer going on. So you go check out the website and see what you like. Okay, and I also have these many perfumes to review. 2 for females and 2 for males. Means like these 4 reviews are remaining. So the review for these perfumes are coming soon. Okay, so before ending the video, those who are watching me for the first time, thank you for stopping by. I make reviews on perfumes for men and for females. Thank you for watching and do consider subscribing. Also note that I have other reviews also coming up on Paris Elysees. Okay, so stay tuned, take care of yourself, and bye.